Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain, but you feel it. That there's something wrong. You don't know what it is, but it's there, driving you mad. It is this feeling that has brought you to me.
At Solo Performance, we give you choice. Our quietest exhaust setup is almost 20 decibels louder than stock. Swap your resonator for a straight pipe and increase your performance exhaust volume by 4 more decibels. Add the Solo Ultra High Flow Catalytic Converter and increase it another 3 decibels. All are raw, rich, mean, and no drone.
Enjoy going solo.